All right, less than 5 months to go for the US presidential elections, and Donald Trump might have some respite because a New York judge has partially lifted a gag order on former US president. This following the Republican presidential candidate's conviction on criminal charges that stemmed from a $130,000 hush money payment his attorney then, Michael Cohen, had made to an adult film star, Stormy Daniels. And this was in the days before the 2016 election. The revised order now allows Trump to speak publicly about witnesses in the case and eases a prohibition on his commenting about the jury. However, the order keeps in place the restrictions on his statements about individual prosecutors and others involved in the case. This until his sentencing, which is set for July 11th. In his decision lifting parts of the gag order, Judge Merchan wrote that the circumstances have now changed. Following Trump's conviction last month on 34 counts of all falsifying business records, he said, and I'm quoting, "The trial portion of these proceedings ended when the verdict was rendered and the jury was discharged." Meanwhile, Trump's spokesperson has said in a statement that the order leaves in place portions of the unconstitutional gag order. The spokesperson said that Trump plans to appeal the ruling. Our correspondent Susan Teherani gets us the latest from New York.
Judge Juan Merchan, the Manhattan judge in Donald Trump's hush money case, has modified that gag order against him, allowing the former president to comment about witnesses and jurors in his criminal trial. But the gag order is still in place for discussing staffers, prosecutors, and their families as well until his sentencing on July 11th. The ruling comes just days before the former president is scheduled to debate current President Joe Biden. It will give him the opportunity to criticize witnesses like Michael Cohen as well as Stormy Daniels. However, Trump's lawyers have said that the remaining restrictions are unconstitutional. They plan to challenge this order. And while many believe that the gag order is a clear election interference by barring a presidential candidate from speaking freely, others believe that this decision balances free speech concerns with the need to protect court personnel from harassment. Susan Teherani reporting from New York for WION World as well.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.